Hello everybody, how are you? So again welcome back to all of you in my mathematics class. So today we will do the problems based on the proportionality theorem and its converse. Okay, so let me recall the theorem again. So according to basic proportionality theorem or by Thales theorem, if we have a triangle, suppose AABC, and if there is a line DE which divides AB and AC at point D and E respectively, then if DE parallel to BC, then in this case AD by DB becomes equal to AE upon AC. Okay, so AD by DB becomes equal to AE upon AC. Okay, so this result is according to basic proportionality theorem or by Thales theorem. Okay, so now come to its converse. Okay, so according to converse of basic proportionality theorem or by Thales theorem, we can say if there is a triangle ABC such that D and E divides AB and AC at different points, say at point D and E respectively, and if in this case this ratio, that is the AD by DB and AE by EC, so this ratio becomes equal, then in that case the line DE becomes parallel to BC. Okay, so the line DE becomes parallel to BC. Okay, so this is the converse of the basic proportionality theorem or of Thales theorem. Okay, so I had told you that you have to do it by yourself, and if you done it then very good, and if you didn't then you need to do it first. Okay, then move on to the questions. So what is the question? So here we have the question: D and E are respectively the points on the side AB and AC of a triangle ABC such that AB is equal to 5.6 centimeter, AD is 1.4 centimeter, AC is 7.2 centimeter, and AE is 1.8 centimeter. Then so that DE parallel to BC. Okay, so basically according to questions, if we have a triangle, suppose we have a triangle ABC. Okay, so this is according to questions. So we have a triangle ABC and D and E are respectively the points on the side AB and AC. Suppose D and E are the points on the side AB and AC respectively. Okay, and suppose I join DE. Okay, then if AB is 5.6 centimeter, means AB means this. Okay, so AB is given which is 5.6 centimeter, AD which is 1. AD means this AD which is 1.4 centimeter, and AC means this length which is given as well, which is 7.2 centimeter, and AE, this is the AE which is 1.8 centimeter. Then we have to show this side, that is DE parallel to BC. Okay, that we need to show here. Okay, so let's solve the questions. So mainly this question is relating to converse of the Thales theorem or by basic proportionality theorem. Okay, so for this, if we are able to show the ratio of AD by DB becomes equal to the ratio of the side AE upon AC, that is I want to say AD by DB. Okay, and AE by EC, ratio of this side, ratio of this part. Okay, if this ratio becomes equal, then we can say the side DE becomes parallel to BC. Okay, so DE will be parallel to BC. Okay, so this question is relating to the converse of Thales theorem. Okay, so let's solve the questions. So for this, first we have what? We have a triangle ABC in which D and E. Okay, this will be figure. Okay, for this question. So in which D and E are points on the sides AB and AC respectively. Okay, and AB and AD is given. So AB is 5.6 centimeter, AD is 1.4 centimeter. Okay, so basically AB is given, which is 5.6, and AD is 1.4. Okay, so because we need this dB, so we can find easily dB by subtracting AD from AB. So therefore we can write dB. Okay, we are just finding dB. So dB is equal to what? AB minus AD. So AB is 5.6 and AD is 1.4. So 6 minus 4, it will be 2, and 5 minus 1, it will become 4.2 centimeter. Okay, so this is the dB, which is 4.2 centimeter. I got here just right now. Now here again AC is given, which is 7.2 centimeter, and AC is 7.2 centimeter, and AE, which is 8.8 centimeter. AE 1.8 centimeter. So AC is given, AE is given, so we can find easily AC by subtracting AE from AC. So therefore we can write EC is equal to AC minus AE, right? So AC is 7.2 minus AE is 1.8. So now on subtracting 12 minus 8, it will become 4, and 6 minus 1, it will become 5.4 centimeter. So we got dB as well as AC, which is 5.4 centimeter. Okay, so now we just need to find this ratio and this ratio, that is AD by dB and AE by EC, and we have to check whether this ratio becomes or not. If this ratio becomes equal, then we can say D parallel to BC. Okay, so this is the question. So very simple questions. So first we will find this ratio. Okay, so now the ratio is what? AD by dB. AD by dB. Okay, so AD is what? AD is 1.4 centimeter. dB is 4.2. Okay, so on solving 14 3s are 42. Okay, so the ratio is AD by dB is 1 by 3. Okay, and next ratio is that we need to find here AE upon EC. Okay, AE upon EC. So AC is what? AC AE is 1.8 and EC is 5.4. Okay, so it will become 18 is 54. So this ratio is again 1 by 3. Okay, so here we can clearly say AD by DB is 1 by 3 and AE upon AC is also 1 by 3. So because this ratio is becomes equal to each other, so we can say the line DE divides AB and AC in the same ratio. So clearly DE divides AB and AC in the same ratio, and if DE divides AB and AC in the same ratio, so hence DE parallel to BC. So therefore DE parallel to BC. Okay, so this is the result. Okay, so I hope everybody understood this one very well. Okay, so okay then, see you in the next class and have a nice day.